Have you ever wondered why there is something rather than nothing? This question, echoing through the ages, has puzzled the greatest minds of humanity. It's the enigma of existence, the paradox that defies our understanding. In a universe where the norm seems to be a vast, empty void, we find ourselves surrounded by a vibrant tapestry of existence. From the smallest particles to the grandest galaxies, from the fleeting thoughts in our minds to the enduring monuments of civilization, everything around us stands as a testament to this paradox. Against all odds, there is something. There is us. There is now. Doesn't it seem peculiar that in the face of endless nothingness, existence has found a way? The natural state of things, one would assume, would be non-existence. Yet here we are, in this vast cosmic arena, alive, conscious, and questioning. And this is where our journey into the enigma of existence begins. Throughout history, philosophers, scientists, and thinkers have grappled with this puzzling question. Why is there something rather than nothing? This is a question that has echoed through the ages, from the hallowed halls of Aristotle's Lyceum to the high-tech laboratories of today's physicists. The ancient Greeks proposed a prime mover, an uncaused cause, a force that set all things into motion, but itself remained unmoved. This concept has been adopted and adapted throughout the centuries, from the medieval philosophers who called it God, to modern scientists using it as a basis for theories of the Big Bang. In the 20th century, quantum physics introduced the possibility that our universe may have materialized from a vacuum fluctuation, a blip in the nothingness that somehow resulted in everything. Yet these theories, though fascinating, still revolve around the idea of a first cause, a spark that ignited existence. Despite our best efforts, we've yet to find a satisfactory answer to why there is something rather than nothing. We've circled around the question, proposed theories and postulated possibilities, but we are still left in the dark, staring into the abyss of the unknown. But what if all these theories missed an important point? What if the question itself is flawed or incomplete? Or perhaps the answer lies not in the realm of the tangible, but in the intangible, in the realm of consciousness and perception. What if the very concept of nothing is fundamentally flawed? Let's delve into this thought. Imagine a world where nothing is not a void, not an absence, but merely a different kind of something. This is not a New Age concept, but rather a speculation grounded in the very foundations of quantum physics. In the quantum world, even a vacuum, the closest thing we have to nothing, is buzzing with energy and particles that pop in and out of existence. This suggests that nothing, as a state of absolute emptiness, is not a reality, but a human construct. Perhaps our understanding of nothing is limited by our human perspective, dictated by our senses and our cognitive abilities. We perceive nothing as an absence because that's how we've been conditioned, not because it is an absolute truth. Our minds struggle to comprehend the infinite, the eternal, the non-physical, so we simplify, we categorize. We label the incomprehensible as nothing. Could it be that nothing is simply a different form of something, a form that we cannot perceive or comprehend? Perhaps our universe is teeming with these nothings, these unseen somethings, just beyond our grasp. So perhaps the question isn't why there is something rather than nothing, but why we perceive nothing as we do. This is the novel twist, a new perspective to challenge our understanding of existence and non-existence. Now, isn't that something to ponder? Let's delve into the profound implications of this perspective. Imagine if our understanding of nothing is merely a reflection of our cognitive limitations, not a testament to the non-existence of such a state. Consider this, a world beyond our perception where nothingness is not an absence, but a form of existence we simply cannot comprehend. This new perspective could fundamentally shift how we view our existence and reality. We are used to thinking in binaries, existence and non-existence, something and nothing. But what if these oppositions are merely a construct of our limited understanding? Perhaps the paradox of existence isn't a paradox at all. Maybe it's a riddle, a mystery to be solved, not by proving the existence of something over nothing, but by expanding our understanding of what nothing could mean. And so, we are left with a new question to ponder. What if nothing is simply a state we cannot comprehend, rather than a state that does not exist?